What up guys, it's Timmy and we're back in Alaska. I'm back home after the 15,000 mile road trip. This is the first morning I woke up in the house. Morning guys. I've got a lot to do and it's gonna start with dealing with everything outside of the house. Well guys, I got a lot of mail while I was gone and I feel like I need to open this piece up. Oh yeah, that's so awesome. Oh, woo! We're doing something right, I guess. Man, it feels good to be home. Feels good to be home. Get some delicious orange chicken cooking. So the first thing we're gonna do is get my $600 car started that I have not started in 4 months. See if it starts. Clear some snow out of the yard. Get the snow machines ready to go. Let's go start. Might need some gloves. Absolutely beautiful day outside. Just awesome. And now the moment of truth. Will it start after sitting for 4 months in Alaska in the winter? I've got a really cheap battery in here too, so, but you know what? Maybe it'll start. Maybe it will start. Totally did. Okay, pop the hood. You know, it's really funny, the hood latch doesn't really work too well in here, so here's how I pop the hood. I keep a piece of birch bark from an Alaskan tree. I pull the hood latch and I take the birch bark, I open the hood latch and I place the birch bark right there to hold the hood latch in place, which allows me to open the hood. Now mind you, I bought this car for $600, so I got an awesome deal on it, and I put about 50,000 miles on it. It's been totally trouble-free. I need to get a better battery at some point. Get her charged up. Let's see if we can work some magic here. Come on, little Satan. That is just extremely dead. We'll see. Let it charge a while. This is the first time I've started this snow machine in May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 months. Second pull. All right, let's see how the Polaris does. Classic Polaris. It's exactly what I bought. The Lynx / Ski-Doo snow machine. Right there. This is a 600, it's supposed to be the reliable one. So the Lynx started up second pull after sitting for 8 months. Polaris 600, pretty much brand new. Has less miles than the Lynx. Not starting at all. How about that? Got her. That took me about 20, 25 pulls. Keep going though. sleds are running. Sled deck's cleaned off. This thing's super heavy, so I'm gonna have to get some help to load it into my truck bed trailer over there. Next step, we need to get the old Honda Rancher started. Most reliable four-wheeler in the world. I've never actually changed the oil, and let's get the original battery since 2007. Let's see if it starts. I guarantee it will. At this point, I actually don't maintain this four-wheeler on purpose just to see how far it'll go without anything being done, even the tires. I haven't started this four-wheeler since July, so it's been August, September, October, November, December. So it's been about 4 months since I started it. No way. This will be a first. Come on, girl. Oh, so close. I jinxed myself. That is literally the first time that four-wheeler's never started. Battery finally kicked it. The battery's from 2007. Let's get that charged up. The next thing that we need to try to start is the Honda snowblower. So this hasn't been used in going on 8 to 9 months. Hasn't been started a single time. Let's see if it fires up. It's a 1990, pretty old. Bought it for $350, pretty good deal. Do it. My back's done. Let's get the electric started. Woo. Spark. Gonna go pick up another spark plug. Okay, so we can't get the snowblower going. I'll get a spark plug for that. We can't get the four-wheeler going to plow the snow yet because I've got to get the car started first, which is charging. Then I can charge four-wheeler battery. So the next thing we're gonna do is remove the portable air conditioner out of the truck house and put the wood stove back in its place. So let's do that. As you guys know, I've been on the road trip and I've had the portable air conditioner in here because I left in August. So I took the wood stove out. So now we're moving the portable AC and we're gonna put the Kimberly wood stove back in its place. Here she is. I love having this in here because number one, it's awesome having a fire. On the road trip, my diesel heater actually failed and I don't have any heat in here. This will not fail. As long as you have firewood, trees inside the road, you can stay warm. You can survive in here. So we're gonna get her installed. Hey, I was looking for that. Yeah. I just need to get my 3 bolts in the base to tie the wood stove to the granite down there while I'm driving so it doesn't move around, and we're golden. Got a wood stove locked in and we're ready for the Alaskan winters. Let's check on the car over here. This is a pretty legit ride actually, Toyota All-Track. It's got a pretty sweet 16 valve in it, super reliable. Battery's just tired, so. So we're unpacking the last bit of the stuff from the 15,000 mile road trip. So we're gonna get the boats off. For the record, I got out a spark plug wrench, pulled the plug from the snowblower, so we're gonna see if we can get a replacement plug in town. I've still got a whole bunch of organizing to do at the house, snow plowing, and I just kind of ran out of time today. Old Johnny Lungs is flying in. So Johnny actually lives in Fairbanks, which is really far from Girdwood. It's like 8-9 hours away. So he's gonna be flying down in a plane. So I'm gonna head to the Anchorage airport, pick him up, and we're gonna grab some dinner and go head to the Willow Walk, downtown Anchorage for the show. And we are in Anchorage. Let's go get Johnny. And 1'6", well, we're 11 feet. We ain't fitting. We go out here.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on, man?
You f***ing made it.
You fucking made it.
I did. First class, baby.
Yeah, dude. Oh, really? You serious?
Yeah.
You guys are sitting first. Sorry, y'all. I tried to make it my room as I could. Hoping you guys be 5 feet tall or something.
What's up, man?
What's going on, dude?
Oh, good to see you.
Good morning, guys. Sorry I did absolutely horrible at capturing anything last night because I hadn't seen my friends in a long time. So we're waking up in Anchorage on the streets. Downtown Anchorage is like right out my door. I've got a ton of video editing to do and uploading, so I'm gonna go hit a coffee shop in Anchorage and knock some of that out and get the day started.